Hey guys, it's Moto here, and I want to share something with you today. I'm pretty excited to do so. I got back from the hobby shop like probably 20-25 minutes ago, and look what I got. This is the LOSI Micro T. This is a 1/28th scale truck, and it's impressive, to be honest. I love this thing now. I love it. There are a couple of things that I do like about this truck, and a couple of things that I do not like about this truck. The first one, the size. I love the size. It's really small, really portable. So small that it fits in your hand pretty much. I want to do a size comparison with my Typhoon Rum. Look at this thing. It's really small. Then I have my Omni Terminator right here. So funny, man. Look. And finally, we have my Arma 223S. Look. How small, portable, and lightweight this truck is. Look, compared to one of the tires on the tires on my 223S, it's really small. The other thing that I love about this truck is that it's a LOSI. We all know LOSI. They make one of the best RC cars in the whole industry, right? The things that I don't like, it's so small, and I've been driving it right here in my house, in my living room, in my kitchen. It's so small that the tires and the dog bones pick up a lot of human hair. I have a dog. There's many dog hairs right here, a lot of limbs in the tires as well. That's what I don't like about this. Another thing that I don't like about this truck is that the shock oil is really thin. This is a 22.5 CST weight, so I think you could probably make it a little bit thicker because when you jump, it tends to slap on the chassis, right? Well, let me show you what it comes with. First one, oh, by the way, this is another thing that I love about this truck. This is a normal, standard size transmitter. This is the SLT2 transmitter that we all know and love. Nice. It also comes with a wrench and 2 hexes if you're gonna do maintenance. LOSI decal, nice touch. Some connectors guide. We all know how this works. The instruction manual 1/28. Yes, this is the instruction manual. It also comes with a tiny battery. This is a 350 milliamps 2S battery. By the way, this is a brushed truck, so don't expect like crazy speeds. It's brushed. It also comes with this adapter, so you can plug the USB cable to a USB source, but this one doesn't come with the kit. It's this and the battery. All right. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna drive it around my living area and then my living room and then probably on the kitchen, I'm not sure. And I'm also gonna set up like a small course so you guys can see it. Another thing that I like about this truck is the servo motor. It's really responsive. Although it's small, it's really responsive and quick. Well, I already drove this car, and there's another thing that I don't like. I have no idea what this is. I think it's a thing from every LOSI Micro, because I also watched the video on the Micro B, which is a buggy. When you hit the throttle really hard, it tends to spin out. Also, when you brake, it tends to spin out too. So I have no idea what the deal is with that, but that's normal. That's normal because, as I'm telling you, I watched a couple of videos and that happens to the Micro V as well. So I guess we're gonna have to live with it. But aside from that, I love the truck. I love how lightweight this thing is, how lightweight, portable, and well, I'm pretty sure you're gonna have a lot of fun with this. See you soon. All right, guys. So this is my little course that I set up for my car. So I'm gonna go under the table, then I'm gonna hit this jump right here. Jumps pretty well, to be honest, although the thickness of the shock oil might be a little bit better. Again, under the table, then I'm gonna hit this jump again. Woo, there we go. Okay, and what you see with my cell phone over here, it's a lap counter. So let me go ahead and set it up. By the way, it's paid. It's like probably $2, so I downloaded it. So every time I jump this ramp, and this is just a binder, I just found laying around. So every time I hit the jump, it'll count as a lap. Okay, so let me set it up for at least 10. Oh yeah, it's 10 laps. Then okay. So the first lap is gonna be this one, obviously. You know what? Let me do this right here. So I'll start right here. Okay, and here we go. So this is where I go, behind the bike, then under the table, then woo, there we go. You see how good it jumps? And again, the shock oil could be a bit better, a bit thicker. Woo, nice, perfect. Under the table, there we go. Nice landing. Oh, come on. The tires, I think they lost a bit of traction because again, they have a lot of lean, a lot of human hair, a lot of dog hair. My floor wasn't that clean, obviously. But remember, guys, this is a truck that is meant to be driven on carpet, right? Ugh. Same thing with the Micro V. They're supposed to be driven on a carpet. What I like about this truck as well is that you can work on your hand-eye coordination, you can work on your finesse, as how delicate you hit the throttle, you steer the car. Nice. Behind the bike, now under the table. Woo, there we go. Perfect. Come on. I don't know if I mentioned this, but one of the things that I dislike about the truck is that it spins out pretty easy, both when you hit the throttle and when you brake. I think that's normal because I watched a couple of videos. Oh, 10 laps, nice. By the way, before I continue, the app will tell you what your best lap is, or was. So I was telling you, when you hit the throttle really hard, the truck spins out. Same thing happens when you brake too hard, it spins out. So I have no idea why. I guess that's normal because this is a two-wheel drive car. So let me show you. I don't know if you can see it. Let me show you a little bit closer. Boom, I hit the brakes and you see what happened? It spins out. Same thing happens when you hit the throttle really hard. It tends to wash out. But so far so good. Nice jump. All right. Let's keep trying. 2 more laps. Come on. Nice jump. There we go. You see, I hit the brakes and then it washed out. Oh, not again. Come on, little fella. Come on. Woo. Nice jump. Come on, I can do better. I can do better. All right. Obviously, the quality. This is a LOSI. We all know LOSI. Pretty good quality, to be honest. What I dislike about this truck as well is that, oh my God, some of the components are so tiny. And to be honest, I have chubby fingers, guys. I have chubby fingers, so it's gonna be a pain in the butt to upgrade some of the parts. By the way, there's a couple of parts, aluminum parts, for this car. So maybe I'll upgrade in the future. Oh my God, nice jump. The first thing that I'm gonna switch from this car are the shocks. It comes with plastic shocks, which is not ideal. So I'm gonna get the aluminum shocks, along with maybe a little bit thicker shock oil, because it's rebounding. It's it's hitting the floor with the chassis a lot. Although I like the way it jumps and it lands, but it could use a little bit thicker oil for the shocks. Maybe 30 weight. It currently comes with 22.5, which is a very light and thin shock oil. So I could probably bump it up to at least 30, 35. Well, over 40, it's way too thick for this truck. So maybe 30, 35, it's gonna be like the perfect middle. Okay, 2 more laps. By the way, you can also set up the app. It's called Lap Tracker. You can also set it up with time, not only lap time. Not only lap count, but also time. If you're gonna do this for at least 20-25 minutes straight, you can do so with the app. Come on, one last jump. There we go. Nice. I can do better. Let's keep trying. There we go. So well guys, there you have it. This is the LOSI Mini T. I paid 135, 40, can't recall very well. But I got it like probably 2 hours ago. There we go. I got it like 2 hours ago, maybe 1 hour ago. It's really cheap. The build quality is superb. It's a lot of fun. I could do this all day long. I think the ideal speed that you can run this truck is 50%. Between 50 and 75%. I think mine it's 75 right now. Nice job. Okay, let's see 100%. It's gonna be like out of whack. This is 100%. Woo! Oh. Nice. Okay, well, I'm not going. Oh, never mind. I was gonna say I'm not going that bad, but yes, I am. I'm nowhere near full throttle. Oh my god, what's going on? Nice. Okay, full throttle. No, never mind. Okay, one last lap. Oh, I missed the jump. Missed the ramp. Nice. Alright guys, goodbye now. So there you have it. This is the LOSI Micro T, 130 before tax. Oops, there we go. 130 before tax, and again, you're gonna have a lot of fun with this truck. See you in the next video. Bye bye.